Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today again we are going to discuss another past year paper, Pure Mathematics 1 9709. The component is 1 2. So it's October November 2019 series. Let's start. So here's the question number 1. The coefficient of x square in the expansion of 4 plus ax into 1 plus x by 2 whole power 6 is 3. So for x square coefficient, we can see the first bracket is 4 and ax. So if we multiply this 4 plus ax in either x term or x square term, then only we can get the x square. So we don't require the constant terms, we don't require a coefficient with power more than 3. So we are going to expand it accordingly, and moreover we can see that it is 1 plus x by 2 whole power 6. By the Pascal triangle we know that the coefficient for power 6 are going to be 1, 6, 15, 20 and so on, but the next will be x power 0, x power 1 here, x power 2 here. So we only require these three. So I'll write it as 1 to the power 6, no need to write, plus 6 into x by 2 plus 15 times x by 2 whole square, that is x square by 4, plus and so on. I don't want to write that because it will not give the coefficient of x square, so I'm going to only write these terms. So it will give and plus so on, but we don't want to write it. It is not going to give us x square, it will give x cube. So this means coefficient of x square is equal to 15 from here and 3a from here. According to question, it is given as 3. So from here we'll get 3a is equal to 3 minus 15, that is minus 12, or a is equal to minus 4. So that is how we need to solve. We don't have to expand it completely because we don't require the x cube, x power 4, x power 5, x power 6 and all. So we'll only have to expand till here. I hope it is clear. Here's the question number 2. The point M is the midpoint of the line joining 3, 7 and minus 1, 1. Find the equation of the line through M which is parallel to the line this. So the given line is x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 1, or we can write y by 2 is equal to minus x by 3 plus 1, or we can say y is equal to minus 2 by 3x plus 2. I have multiplied by 2 in whole equation. Now if we'll compare it by mx plus c, then we can say that gradient of the line is minus 2 by 3. So from here m is equal to minus 2 by 3. So now we need to find the coordinates of m. Coordinates of m, since it is a midpoint of line joining these 2 points, so it would be 3 plus minus 1 over 2 and 7 plus 1 over 2, or we can say it is m 3 minus 1 2 or 2 over 2, it is 1 and 4. So coordinates of a point we got, and gradient, since the line we require is parallel to this line, so the gradient of the required line should be minus 2 by 3. So from here we can directly write equation of required line will be y minus y1. So here these two values we are going to take x1 y1, y minus y1, that is y minus 4, is equal to m times, m is the same gradient of this line, and x minus x1. So it is y is equal to minus 2 by 3x minus minus plus 2 by 3 and plus 4, or we can write it as minus 2 by 3x, 3 4 is 12 plus 2 14 over 3. So we got y is equal to minus 2 by 3x plus 14 over 3. So basically we have the three formulas for equation of line. One is y is equal to mx plus c if we have intercept and the gradient, or y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1 if we have a point on the line x1 y1 and a gradient of the line, or y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 times x minus x1 if we have 2 points on the line. That is, these are the only things we need to take care of. I hope it is okay. Let's do the third question. Here's the question number 3. A curve is such that dy over dx is k over root x, where k is a constant. Point P and Q lie on the curve. This is a curve. We don't have the equation of we don't have to find the equation of line. We need to find the equation of curve. If we have dy over dx is equal to any function, so from here we can directly say that y is equal to integration of the functions towards the right hand side given k over root x dx, or we can rewrite it as k x to the power minus 1 by 2 dx, because x to the power root x is 1 by 2, power is 1 by 2, and in numerator it would become minus 1 by 2. So it become y is equal to k times x to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 1 by 2. So I'll write here 1 by 2 and plus a constant of integration. Constant of integration is c, or we can rewrite it as y is equal to 2k root x plus c. This is the equation of curve. This is the equation of curve, but there are two constants, two unknowns, k and c. So we'll find with the help of the points. Since this is a curve and p and q lie on the curve, so this will satisfy, these points will satisfy the curve, the equation of curve. So at p that is 1 comma minus 1, minus 1 is equal to 2k root 1 plus c, and this means c is equal to minus 2k minus 1, and again at q it is 4 is equal to 2k root 4 plus c, or root 4 is 2, so 2 2 is 4, it is c is equal to 4 minus 4k. So we have the two equations 1 and 2 and two unknowns. We can find equating 1 and 2 because left hand sides are same, so we'll get minus 2k minus 1 is equal to 4 minus 4k. I'll transfer it here. We'll get 4k minus 2k, it is 2k is equal to 4 minus 1, sorry 4 plus 1, it is 5, and hence k is equal to 5 by 2. And once we got k is equal to k value as 5 by 2, we'll put in this equation number 1 or 2 any. I'll write from 1. From 1 we'll get c is equal to minus 2 into 5 by 2 minus 1. These two cancel. We got c is equal to minus 6, and hence the equation of curve will be y is equal to 5 root x minus 6. So I put the value of k here. 2k is equal to 5, and that is the equation of curve. I hope it is clear. Number 4. The diagram shows a circle with center O and radius r centimeter. Point A and B lie on the circle, and angle AOB is 2 theta radians. The tangents to the circle at A and B meet at T, and we know that if it is meeting here, then AT and BT are going to be same, of same length. And now the question, first part is express the perimeter of the shaded region in terms of r and theta. So in order to find this perimeter, we'll find this length, which will be of course this length only, and the arc length with the 2 theta, central angle is 2 theta. So it is going to be easy to find this arc length. So first of all, we will find the length of arc. Length of arc AB is going to be r theta. So it is r into theta, here it is 2 theta, so it becomes 2r theta. This is, let's say, equation number 1. Now we'll find this 80. Before that, for that we can join the center with this point, and we will get, we know that this angle is 90 degree, because angle between tangent and radius at contact point is always going to be a right angle. So this would be 90 degree. Similarly, this is also going to be 90 degree. So this angle is going to be divided into half. That is, if the total angle is 2 theta, so it will be theta. So corresponding to this theta, we have the opposite and the adjacent. So we will use tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite, that is 80 upon OA, that is r. So from here, AT is equal to r tan theta. So this is equation number 2. So required perimeter will be, perimeter is going to be AT plus BT plus arc AB, and we know that AT and BT are same, so it is going to be r tan theta plus r tan theta and plus 2r theta. So it becomes 2r tan theta plus 2r theta. We can take r common, it is not required, but we can take common. 2r will get tan theta plus theta unit, because it is going to be centimeter, as the radius is given in the centimeter, so it will also be centimeter. So I hope it is clear. Let's do the next part of the same question. In this case, second part, in the case where r is equal to 5 and theta is equal to 1.2, find the area of shaded region. So we can see, in order to find the area of shaded region, we need to find the area of quadrilateral, this triangle, which will form the quadrilateral, and if you can find the area of this sector, we can subtract it and we will get the required region, shaded region. So for that, we have r, which is given as 5, this as r tan theta, and we know that this angle is 90 degree. So area of triangle, or I'll write area of quadrilateral, is going to be 2 times area of triangle, and area of triangle is half into base into height, that is r into r tan theta. So it become r square tan theta, because 2 by 2 is cancelled by 2, and then area of this sector, and this total angle is 2 theta. So area of sector is going to be 1 upon 2, it is r square theta, and here theta is 2 theta, so it is r square into 2 theta. 2 and 2 got cancelled, and we are left with r square into theta. So this means required area is going to be the area of quadrilateral minus area of sector. So it is r square tan theta minus r square theta, and we know the value of r and theta, so we'll put it here. R square, I'll take common first of all, it is tan theta minus theta here. R square is 25, and it is tan 1.2 minus 1.2. So we have to use the calculator in the radian mode, because it is in the radian. So this is 25 into 1.37215 and all, so it is 1.37 only, till 3 significant figure, into 25, it would be 34.303 and all, so it is 34.3 centimeter square. So that is the area of the required region, shaded region. I hope it is okay. and we will be discussing the next 3 questions in the next video. Till then, thank you so much.